At the Burlington Technical Center, my education has a purpose.
I'm learning about what I love in a way that works for me.
Burlington Tech Center, or BTC for short, is a career and technical center for our high school students in and around Chittenden County. We're a half-day center, so we spend half the day either in the morning or the afternoon at our BTC program. All throughout the school year, we get in-depth, hands-on learning for over 2 hours a day, every day, while still taking classes at our home high school.
First, we learn the theory, and then we apply it in our state-of-the-art labs and hands-on workshops.
Students have the chance to earn high school credit, college credit, industry-recognized credentials, and participate in work-based learning opportunities. Our instructors are the best part. They are experts in their fields and support us every step of the way.
What I'm trying to do is providing an opportunity for students to create youth culture.
Having that sense of belonging, it's just an incredible opportunity.
Why are you in this program? Well, number one, you're here because you want to serve your community.
Those that do the work do the learning, and this is hands-on, but it's not minds off.
Some of the things that we make in here are one-of-a-kind solutions, and it's fascinating to see what students come up with.
I am a physical therapist and an EMT by training.
I love aviation. I'm a pilot, I'm also a mechanic.
I can definitely tell it's a passion now that I really, really want to fix aircraft.
It's pretty cool because you're constantly surrounded by what you love and what you want to do.
I love the fact that I get to be creative with what I do and be able to make something and be able to use it and use it well.
I want to become a jack of all trades, and this helps you learn a little bit of everything.
I'm very excited to be a nurse.
I enlisted with the Marine Corps last summer. This program has really introduced everything.
It was just way easier to learn here.
I hope to go to college. The field of social work, like working with families, working with adolescent children.
Kind of crazy to think about only being 18 and already being an EMT.
It's okay to not know the camera or just to not know how to use something. It's not only just about working, it's also just a place where you can build that community and have that friendship with the people around you.
Coming here has really changed my perspective of what I want to do.
Thanks to BTC, I feel ready for my future.
For more information about Burlington Technical Center, visit btc.bsdbt.org.
Nice.